Hello. It is now December, which means it is finally acceptable to go complete Christmas beast mode without judgment. So it's December 1st and this is my first Vlogmas ever. Yay! It's the most wonderful time of the year and it's my birth month. Yes, I share the same birth month as the big man himself. So for day one, I really want to get into the Christmas spirit. So the plan today is we're gonna decorate the entire living room today. So there's just one problem. Before I get started decorating, I need to clean the living room first of all. So we're gonna quickly start there and then we'll jump to the unboxing and the decorating. Let's go. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Heather. I'm a 20-something-year-old living in Austin, Texas with a passion for content creation and a big dream to one day move to the Big Apple, New York City. I love sharing my life, navigating my 20s, while also incorporating videos about productivity and self-improvement. So if that's your jam, why don't you stick around? Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Now this place is clean and ready for the decorating. Now we need to go and grab all the decorations from the mailroom. I got the notification that all the packages have just arrived, so let's go pick it up. Okay, I wish I could have taken you all on a little run to Target to pick up all these Christmas decorations, but here's the thing, I have absolutely no self-control, and I would have spent hundreds of dollars. So instead, I went to Pinterest and TikTok for inspiration and strategically picked out only the things I absolutely need for decoration. Got all the goods. Let's unbox what we have. Okay, so first, after I got my packages, I stopped at CVS and of course the holiday stuff was already out, so I'm gonna show you what I bought. Two things. There was one thing I was missing, key to getting in that Christmas feeling, and that was a Christmas candle. This is one of those wick candles, which I love the wick candles, and this is cranberry. Then I got a Christmas hat. I mean, come on. And every time, by the time I want to get one of these for Christmas, they're all sold out. So this one's really cute. It's got a little dangly puff at the bottom. Just take a look at that. I thought this hat could be super cute for while we're decorating the apartment. So that's it for the CVS haul. All right, so first, okay, wait, what is this? Redeem your Amazon gift card. Oh, I got an Amazon gift. Oh, yeah. I did get a gift card. For Halloween, me and my coworker dressed as our boss. There was a work Halloween costume contest. We got second place, so here's our gift card. Wow, that's awesome. I just purchased all this Amazon stuff and now I got a gift card back to purchase more things. Okay. NARS Soft Matte Concealer. I decided to try a new concealer. That's not decor, but that is something that I'm trying out this month. Yes! Okay, now what might I be using this roll of ribbon for, might you ask? Pretty much, I don't have a Christmas tree this year, and also I have two cats. One of them is a year old, so I don't trust my apartment to have a Christmas tree. Instead, I'm going to build a faux candy cane on this column that I have in the living room. Next box. Muley. No! These are pillowcases. I thought I was purchasing 4 pillows. I should have read the fine print, but okay. So now I've got to go buy pillows. But anyways, don't you love the color scheme? These are gonna go on top of the couch. 4 pillows to kind of bring the color to the couch. I have a gray couch right now, so it'll add a pop of color. And as you can see, I chose to go with a more burgundy dark red than like that typical bright Christmas red. I just think it's gonna look a lot more sleek. Okay, next, these two go together. I got a white tablecloth for the table, and then I also got some white plates. So I got this pack of four plates. Now the big boy. Whoa, you can see what that one is. A wreath! 2 pine garlands. I chose to go with a frosted style garland. I'm not gonna open it because it looks like there's a lot of glitter. I plan to put these in front of the TV. I kind of forgot what I bought. Bought so much stuff. Oh yes! Ah! Oh! That looks so cute. It's going to be my new center arrangement, but I thought this would be so cute. I think it, oh my god, it lights up. There's no batteries in it yet. Okay, but I need to put some batteries in it. It might even make music. I'm not too sure yet. Okay, next oh my gosh, what cute packaging. Dolo Lu handmade cloth napkin set 18-inch, set of 4 forest green. Look how cute. Look how cute that packaging is. Like, wow, they really went the extra mile here. And these are what are gonna be used on top of my plate set. I plan to get a little bit of twine, similar to this one that they had here, kind of wrap it around and set this on the table. And there's one last piece. I've been looking to find a cushion foundation for tan skin. It's more so used in like Korean beauty. This is just a brand from Amazon because M Cosmetics was sold out, so not part of the Christmas video, but that'll be really cool. I should make a separate video for that. All right, I do think that is it for the haul. However, I do need to get pillows now. I need to know where to get some cheap pillows now. Finally ready to decorate. So I just got these cheap $6 pillows from Walmart, and this is what I'm gonna use to put the white covers on for the couch. So this is my first year decorating the new apartment. Before I lived here, honestly, I didn't really feel like it was Christmas time, and this is the first apartment where I feel like I want to get into the holiday spirit and just really make this feel like it's my place. Like, I never used to put in any effort to decorate for Christmas, and therefore I felt like Christmas always would just pass me by. I'm like, oh, I'm leaving this apartment and I'm gonna go visit family anyway, so like, what's the point in decorating? But this year, I decided to change that, and I cannot wait to get started. And this is one of the things that I've been looking forward to all year since I moved in here. Okay, it's coming together really nicely. We've got most of the living room set up. There's still one thing that I still want to do. So let's set up the column candy cane.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year.
That looks too cool. Oh, the top kind of came down a little bit. Actually, don't look at that. And we are officially in the Christmas spirit. Let me give you a tour. We have the candy cane pillar. I think it came out pretty good. Then we have the table arrangement. So this is how this came out. And then, you know what? Actually, I know what I'm gonna do. One sec. Christmas cozy fireplace. Woo. All right, so there's one last thing that I have not done yet, and that is light my candle, because now it looks like Christmas, but we need to make it smell like Christmas. All right, let's light it up. Oh my God, it smells so good. Let's go put it up. Okay, that is pretty much it for this comfy, cozy first vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to continue the series, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.